Hi everyone, this is William speaking. Today we are going to introduce you this small model. We call it cup vertical packing machine. Model is 320. So today we're going to share with you some details like the component. Why we call it a cup? See that it's like a cup to drop the raw material here, and we share with you the component, the parts of the machine. Here we use the Dongning main motor. It is like the bond of the human. So it is from Taiwan, it's a good brand name. And this one is step motor. It is from Guangzhou. This is the gearbox also from Guangzhou. We normally buy the machine parts and make the machine parts in local brand name or Japanese brand name or Taiwan brand name. So this is almost like the bond of this machine. This one is Senseiko from Taiwan. Is the switch, approach switch. Here also another one. Here is also from Senseiko. It is electricity high. We can call it sensor. It is for the color map. When the color map pass, we will have signal here. This one is OTG gear motor. This motor is from the party steel roll dropping. You see the bell is moving, the motor is moving over there. So here's from the outlook what we can see. And we are going to share with you the electricity part. Like this one is the touch screen. We can control the whole machine here. It's from Taiwan Waylon. In Taiwan Waylon, this is one of the famous brand name. And here we use some Japanese part components. This is worldwide famous Panasonic frequency. This is also the PLC frequency. PLC Panasonic. What I can say, this almost like the head. The brain of a human. So this is important. Here we look the behind the back side. See, Waylon is made in China. Yes, of course. Taiwan is one of the parts of China. So here a small letter writing down. It is from Taiwan. And also this is the temperature controller here, the white color one. We can control the temperature up and down easily. It is from Senseiko, also from Taiwan. This one is footer. Chinese name is Yangmin, also from Taiwan. This is the step motor drive. It is worked as the step motor, as a part of step motor. They work together, so it is from the same brand name, Shenzhen from Guangzhou. Or the solid, already talk about this solid. And this one is from Omoro. And sometimes we use the Omoro or slider switch here. This is the Omoro. Okay, so for the whole machine, we normally use the Taiwan brand name parts or the Japanese brand name parts. Some of them we use the local brand name like this. This small one, something like this. It is also named Zhujiang. It is from one of the old brand names since I know it as I was a kid. Even as my mother or father, my parents as a kid, they have the brand name. So here is a dozen of the small one. Over there we have a huge one. And I'm going to tell you some of the machine we use. The air pump, the air system is controlled by AirTech. The brand name is from Taiwan. So today I share with you the components. If you need more detail, you can ask for the Excel list, the file. So contact me anytime. Okay, bye bye.